Hazrat Masih Wasallam mentioned that this quotation is from Malfuzat volume 6. Huzur says, Masih Wasallam, that if there are 40 person in our Jamaat of high spiritual and moral values, I mean, if they are well ornamented with the spiritual values, then the purpose of my coming is achieved. So
alhamdulillah, it is already achieved.
Yeah.
40 have turned into 40 crores all together. I think nearly 40, or if slightly less, there will be 40 crores within our sight, inshallah. So if it is 40 should become 40 lakh. Now in 1 year, inshallah, they will see 40 turn into 40 lakhs, 4 crores.